PCR, or polymerase chain reaction, is the process that allows for large-scale industrial production of certain genetic material for scientific research purposes. In organisms, DNA replicate through the process of DNA replication, where multiple enzymes cooperate to complete actions that unwind, lose, and replicate two strands of complementary DNA, running opposite directions. However, this process is inefficient for scientific research, and it troubled scientists for years, until the emergence of man. Carey Mullins. In 1973, Alice Chen, a biologist from Taiwan, China, was studying at the University of Cincinnati. She investigated on Thermus aquaticus and discovered the Taq polymerase, an extreme thermophile that lives in the geysers of Yellowstone National Park and can withstand a temperature which sometimes goes to 93 degrees Celsius or more. For a normal organism, this temperature will lead to denaturing the protein and result in inevitable death, but not for Thermus aquaticus.
What is love? Baby, don't hurt me.
This is all due to a magic enzyme inside the organism, Taq polymerase. Taq polymerase is inactive in cold and room temperature, but experiences a drastic rise in productivity when the temperature rises above 65 Celsius. After it is activated, it replicates the genetic material at a very high speed. And the reason to that is the clever mechanism behind this enzyme. It does not split the DNA itself. It is the heat that does the job. Rather, it only continues on the replicated strands of DNA and build upon it. Think of it this way. The heat breaks the hydrogen bond between the strands, just like how foods gradually shrink and fall apart in a microwave. Overall, when temperature rises, DNA breaks into two strands, and Taq polymerase builds upon it. And when temperature falls, the DNA strand stabilizes in a process that we call annealing. Then, the temperature rises, and the process starts again. In this process, DNA replicates exponentially, 2 to 4, 4 to 16, 16 to 256, and so on. Now, this process that used to take days will be finished within hours, and that is impossible without the contributions of Taq polymerase and Carey Mullins.
What is love? Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt